Hey guys, I'm gonna open the squishy with you guys, but let's open it right now. Babe, it's pink. In 3, 2, 1. It's pink! Look at this. It's only a squishy, that squish. And it has a little squishy face on the back. But if you explode it, water comes out of it. And it can actually squish.